Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Thursday, January 22nd. So you can see the market today continued its rebound yesterday from that drop when the president um, declared tariffs on a number of EU countries in pursuit of Greenland. You can see that yesterday the market started to reverse when the president first said that the U.S. would not involve the ground troops in the attempt to acquire Greenland, and then later on in the afternoon, he even said that he changed his mind and tariffs are now off the table. So the market reversed, and today, no additional news on Greenland, but it continued this bullish momentum. You can see it here on the daily and the hourly chart. Now, again, that's a pretty significant bounce. And a number of these large cap techs also bounced. But I want to highlight one in particular. Okay, this is Meta. Now, Meta has been generally below the 200-day simple moving average since the beginning of the year. And then, starting here in December, we really started to accelerate this fall, going all the way from around 670 all the way down to the low of 600. This market bounced yesterday with the rest of the NASDAQ, but today we've taken an extreme jump to the upside and moved all the way up to 646 today. So what I am looking for, if this continues, for the market to continue to push up to 650, where the 50-day exponential moving average is. And then I think if it does continue to push higher, you're probably going to get all the way to 655, 656 area as the ultimate target, because it's going to start hitting this area where we broke down from. So basically a nearly complete, a 75, 80% reversal back into this area. So again, this is substantial, up over nearly 5.5%. And I think if the rest of the market continues to move higher, has a reasonably good chance to get to 650 tomorrow. Okay, thanks a lot.